For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
In the latest revelation, tech giant Microsoft, through a report, has revealed that more than half of nation-state cyber attacks carried in 2019 had originated from Russia. The details of the cyber attacks were revealed in the tech giant's annual digital defense report. The report states that 52% of the state-sponsored hackings from July 2019 to June 2020 were carried mainly from Russia. Apart from Russia, Iran, China and North Korea had their fair share in the cyber attacks. The cyber attacks from the countries mentioned in the report had targeted several global events, including elections, individuals tied to political campaigns, the Olympic Games and the COVID-19 pandemic. Microsoft also claimed that majority of the countries had seen at least one COVID-19 themed attack since the COVID-19 pandemic began. The digital crime unit of Microsoft has said that the cyber criminals have capitalized mainly on the fears of COVID-19.
Cyber criminals are opportunistic and have capitalized on interest and fear related to the COVID-19 pandemic and other disruptive events. They have expanded the way they leverage computers that are infected with malware, adding modules or changing the nature of the attacks for which they leverage them.
Microsoft in its report has said that the attacks are mainly nation-state. Nation-state cyber attacks are hacking attempts by cyber criminals with the backing of their own country. The nation-state attackers usually work for a government in order to compromise and target governments and organizations in another country. A defense and security company based in England describes the attackers as agents with a license to hack. The agents have license to hack. They can work without fear of legal retribution. They will be highly unlikely to be arrested in their home country for what they are doing. Tech giant Microsoft has said that the nation-state attackers are well-funded, well-trained, and use different techniques to increase the effectiveness of the attack. Digital defense experts have said that the hackers generally focus on entities that cannot afford to be offline.
The attackers focus on targeting their ransomware activities towards entities that cannot afford to be offline or without access to records during critical periods of the pandemic, like hospitals and medical research institutes.
Russia, which is the worst offender according to the report by Microsoft, has a history of launching disruptive and destructive attacks. Suspected hackers based in Russia allegedly stole and leaked data of athletes who were participating in the Olympics. Several reports have suggested that at least 16 national and international sporting and anti-doping organizations across 3 continents were targeted. The US, followed by the UK, majorly bore the brunt of the nation-state cyber attacks in the past year.